Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're getting a sign in error when launching Forza Horizon, don't worry, this is a pretty common issue that we can fix together. Step 1. First thing you want to do is make sure your Xbox Live account is actually connected to your console or PC. Check your account settings and verify that your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can definitely trigger sign-in errors, so restart your router if needed and make sure you have a strong connection. Step 2. Next, clear your console or PC cache completely. On Xbox, go to Settings, System, Storage, then clear the cache. On PC, navigate to your temp folder and delete any Forza-related files. This clears out corrupted data that might be blocking your sign-in. Step 3. Now update the game itself. Make sure Forza Horizon is fully updated to the latest version available in your store. Sometimes older versions have authentication issues that newer patches fix automatically. Step 4. Try signing out completely and then signing back in. Power cycle your entire system, meaning shut it down for a full minute before restarting. This resets your connection and often resolves temporary authentication glitches that the game is experiencing. Step 5. If nothing works, reach out to Xbox support directly through their website or contact them via chat. Provide them with your error code and they can investigate account-specific issues that might be preventing you from accessing the game.